Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to get different shields or shield skins in Monopoly Go. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now if you take a look at the shields on the top right, if you go ahead and click on those shields, you should be able to go ahead and see them right here. And at the moment, I haven't unlocked any shields apart from the basic one, but you should be able to see that there are ways for us to get new shields right here. If once that you have collected them, then you should be able to see them right here. And how exactly do we get those different shields? Well, one of the ways that we can do it is to go ahead and play with the current in-season event. So at the moment there is currently none at the moment, but there is ones that are quite similar, such as the Bavarian Adventure, such as if you continue with those seasonal events and achieve those achievements, then you'll be able to get one of them as a shield as a prize. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to complete your daily and weekly rewards. And for us to do that, all you need to do is to click on wins on the bottom left. So just go ahead and click on that, and you should be able to see that once that you complete these, you should be able to get some form of prizes. And at one time, one of them is a possible shield in itself. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.